Hello my old school soul food family, Chef Jeffrey back with another video. Hey, today y'all I am going to be sharing with y'all an item. It is football playoff season, getting close to the Super Bowl, and I want to be sharing with y'all an item. I have lots of Super Bowl parties throughout the years and playoff football parties at my house. Of course this year will be different. I won't have any because of the coronavirus, COVID-19, so there'll be no Super Bowl party at my house this year. But in the past years, this is the one item of all. I usually do like 25, 30 items. If you saw my Super Bowl party last year, I put a link in the video, my Super Bowl party last year that I did. I usually have 25, 30 items. But this is the one item of all items that I cook that's never left. And I have to make more and more each year to try to make sure it's enough, and it still is never enough. This is my old school baked beans, meaty baked beans. That's what I call it. It's very simple, very easy. People think I take all day making it. It's so simple. I'm going to show you what I do with it. The reason I created this recipe, because I needed a side item that doesn't take all day. And I'm not going to be cooking beans all day because I usually do brisket, ribs, chicken wings, pork belly, all kinds of other things I'm doing. I don't want to be taking all that day and night making beans. So I created a way to do baked beans, doctor it up, and make it blow off the chain, like the young people say. So I'm going to share this recipe with y'all. So let's get started. The recipe is going to be in the description of the video. First thing I do, I'm going to saute my onions, celery, onions and bell peppers and bacon. Get it all here in the bottom of the pot together. That's the key. First thing I do. And other than that, this is the only thing that really gonna have to cook in the pot. Even though I'm gonna mix everything in the pot together, but this is the only thing that's gonna have to cook in the pot. Everything else gonna cook in the oven in a casserole dish. So anyway, like I said, I just want to brown the bacon off, chopped bacon, and saute the bell peppers. Let me get it here where y'all can see what I'm doing here. Cook the bell peppers and let's see here so y'all can see. There we go. Get this cooked off. Now I'm going to step off as this is sauteing up. I'm going to step off when this gets translucent and good and cooked. And we're going to come back and show you the next step. So I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back here. Okay, this is what I want here. I want it nice and caramelized. It's very important when I make these beans. Okay, now I'm going to put my shake in here. I'm going to season it up. Yep, sir. I'm going to season the onion. I'm going to season this first. I want to get all these seasoning weight. Look, granulated garlic. And my Cavenders. I want to get all this good and seasoned. Okay. Get this all cooked up in here. Smells amazing, y'all. Smells amazing. Look at that. That's the key to these baked beans, y'all. Meaty baked beans. Now, I'm going to throw my sausage in here. Even though I don't have to cook these sausages, I want to get them all mixed up in here with the flavor too. Get them all mixed up in there. And you can make this as your own. You don't like sausage? You can put chicken in here. You can make a meaty baked bean with chicken. You can use turkey. If you can't eat pork, it's fine. Like I said, I'm just giving y'all the canvas and y'all can do it like you want. Okay, now the key to put the baked beans in here. I use bush baked beans. You can use whatever baked beans you like. I use bush. Okay. Get this all mixed up in there. Now we finna start marrying the flavors again. Okay. Put some mustard in here. So yellow mustard. Brown sugar. All this in the description of the video, y'all. Liquid smoke. A teaspoon of liquid smoke. Worcestershire sauce. Let me turn this down, y'all. Turn this down just a bit. I'll put some maple syrup in here. And some Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. You can use whatever thick barbecue sauce you want. I put about 1.5 cups. And I put a cup of ketchup in there. Like I said, I created this about 15 years ago, y'all. And this is a hit of every party I do. People come over to vent to my party, this is the first thing they look for. Where are my baked beans? There we go. You know what? I might add me some more. I think I am. Add me some more smoked sausage in there. I'm gonna put some more, 3 more smoked sausages in there, y'all. Make it meaty as I can here. Like I said, you can put as much or less meat as you want. Since I got it hanging around. There we go. That's why I call it my meaty baked beans, y'all. Put one more in there. And this can be a meal. So I have some friends, they do, this is all they eat. They don't eat nothing else. It's supposed to be a side dish. They use it as a dish in itself. So let's get this all stirred up, and we're gonna check my flavors here. I might have to add a little bit more barbecue sauce to it. Check it out here. Let me see here. Oh my God, y'all. Put a little bit more liquid smoke. Got that liquid smokiness to it. Put a little bit more barbecue sauce. And some maple syrup. Give it that nice little sweetness. That's it. Turn this off. Let me move my counter around, and then we're gonna put it in the casserole dish. Let me clean my counter off here. I need to spray my casserole dish, y'all, and I got one more thing to add to it. All right, clean this off. Casserole dish right here. Let me get my spray. I'm gonna spray this. Spray my casserole dish. That's the key. Like I say, y'all, this is one item that's always, let me move this over now. Move this up. Yeah, got this turned off. Now what I'm gonna do is take this, I'm gonna pour it in my casserole dish here. There we go. How good does that look, y'all? Hold on here. Hold on here. All right. Okay, now we're gonna spread that around. Make sure it's nice and even here, y'all. That's the key. Look how pretty that is. Now, one more thing I gotta do to it. I gotta put my bacon on top. Cause we're gonna bake this for about 45 minutes. Uncovered in the oven. I lay thick bacon on top. Thick bacon pieces right there. You don't have to, like I said, if you don't eat pork, put some turkey bacon on there. But if you like bacon, like I do, throw that bacon on top of that. That's gonna be all flavor here. And that bacon gonna cook off in there, y'all. Oh my God. And I got some friends, I know what you supposed to say. Yep, they will eat the bacon off of there. And that's it. Now we're gonna put that in the oven for 45 minutes to an hour, 325 degrees, and we're gonna have the best meaty baked beans you ever tasted. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. I just took them out the oven. You can see they still bubbling hot here. So I'm gonna let them, I'm definitely gonna let these cool off a little bit, y'all. These things are absolutely awesome. I cooked them for 45 minutes in the oven uncovered. And see how that bacon is, let me get my spoon here. See how that bacon done cooked on there? And all these flavors are just married together, y'all. This is amazing. So I'm definitely gonna let this cool down. And we're gonna come back here and we're gonna get us a bowl of these old school baked beans, y'all. This is the best, I'm telling y'all, these will be the best beans you ever tasted in your life. And sometimes, as I'll explain later, as I can tell y'all now, if you don't have sausage, you can put pork in there that's cooked. You can put brisket in there instead of sausage. Whatever meat you like. True, you can even put weenies. I put sausage, you can put weenies in it. Whatever meat you got to kind of stretch it. Like I said, this is supposed to be a side dish, but a lot of my friends, they come over and they just eat this. They don't eat nothing else. They get them a big bowl of this. And all the bacon be gone, because that bacon has a lot of flavor on it, y'all. So anyway, I'll be back here. I'm going to let it cool about 15, 20 minutes. I'm going to give me a bowl of this, a taste of this, and we're going to see how it tastes. So we'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back. We're going to try a little of these. Now, I took the bacon off of there just to show y'all how they look with the bacon underneath it. But if I serve it in the party, of course, I'll keep the bacon on there because it keeps it moisture. So, let's get us a bowl of these here. Oh, my God, y'all. You can see that, bell peppers and onions in there. There's caramelized in there. Y'all know this stuff is hot, 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 hot. Move this over a little. I know this is gonna be good, y'all. I'm telling y'all, this has been cooking for an hour. And that just, all that flavor is just married together. The mustard, the liquid smoke, Worcestershire sauce, everything, even the barbecue sauce, ketchup. Let me taste this. Oh my God. I'm telling y'all, that's a meal in itself. Right there. A bit more. The sausage on there. So good, y'all. I have to try this recipe, y'all. Have to try this recipe. But I'm gonna close this video out. Like I say, 2021 is hashtag help somebody old school soul food. So y'all share that hashtag in every comment, every time you share my videos. So until next time, please follow my other social media accounts. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day. Remember, help somebody, old school soul food. See y'all next video. Love y'all. Bye.